Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Aries, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So, this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, Aries. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So, let's start with these cards here for your general energies, Aries. We have Justice, we have Messenger of Earth, and we have Six of Water. So, in your circumstances, guys, today, maybe in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So, you are someone really committed, grounded, responsible, hard working. So, you are putting in a lot of efforts today, guys, Aries. Working hard in your work situation, maybe you have that grit and perseverance. You want everything to proceed in the right way, and you are a responsible person committed to your work. Same way you are committed to your relationship, devoted and honest. That may be the reason people like you. People like you for your honesty and your dedication. So, whatever you take up, you go the distance, do it, try to do it, put in everything, and you have a strong, determined heart. So, whatever you take up, you have that perseverance and grit to work till the end and hold on. And today, maybe you are meeting maybe someone close to you. It may be this person you love, or they are coming towards you. Maybe it for some of you guys, Aries, for your relationship. Maybe if you are open to a new relationship, or if you are in separation, not in a relationship right now. Maybe your person, maybe your past person, they are coming to meet you guys. Maybe they want to just like as a friend, they are coming to meet you as a friend, and they are coming to talk to you, have that open communication, talk freely, and you are sharing your good old stories with each other, what has happened, and maybe trying to understand what went wrong between you both. So maybe they are here just to let you know that what has happened, and let's move forward in life without holding any grudge or sadness or pain regarding the past. So maybe you are sharing the stories together, something that is helping you to heal today, guys, something that is simply working in a wonderful way today for your Aries. And Aries, you are, just like I said, you are a very devoted person, guys. Maybe you were really good to them. That may be the reason they are here to patch up things, maybe tell you sorry, and move forward with your life. For some of you, this may mean a reconciliation, guys. Maybe they want to reconcile, and this may be the first step they are taking towards you, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So it's 10 of Water. So maybe this reconciliation may work for you guys. With this card, it is a positive card and it means happiness, success, and prosperity. So, maybe in this relationship, you are going to be really happy. If you are in a separation from this person, maybe they are coming back to you, and it also means good luck. So, you are going to be really lucky, guys. So, this person is coming back to you, Aries. So, for your career situation, guys, we have temptation. So, there may be lot of offers or opportunities coming your way, guys, in your work situation. Something may look simply unbelievable. Some offers, it may have huge promises, promises of lucrative returns. But you must be careful, guys. You must assess your circumstances clearly, then make that choice. So that way you will not be able to make the wrong choice in your career situation, Aries. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So we will keep this card aside. Please like and comment, guys, if you like this reading. So we will see what is the card, the first card for you all. It's Snow White and it says purity. I hope you can see the card here, guys. Yeah. So with this card, it just means that you are a very honest person, guys, pure soul. Maybe in your circumstances you have seen worse circumstances with people behaving in a bad way, people with evil intentions, but all that bad intentions or worse kind of behavior has not corrupted you at all, and your beautiful character nature is going to shine through this time, guys. Maybe you are in some difficult situation, people are trying to create a lot of obstacles or lot of stressful situation for you guys. They are trying to create problems for you, and they are jealous and they are rejecting you, and whatever is possible for them, they are doing all that. But you are someone who is a pure soul, you are a good soul, and you are just smiling looking at your circumstances, and nothing is making an impact on you to change towards some negative things, like you don't want to retaliate to them in any way. So your kindness and your good nature, your pure heart is going to shine out today, guys, and this kindness and pure heart is what is giving you success today, guys. So whatever evil is upon you, it has not made it to your heart, and you are going to be triumphant today. You are going to win. Your good nature, your pure heart is going to win today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let us see what is the second card. So for those who chose the second card, it is Yin. So with this card, it just means that in your situation today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, it is the time for you to let the other person make the first move. So conscious are loving. So that is what this card means. Maybe letting the other person do what they need to do today, and you just need to wait and see where things are going. So in your relationship, you need to let the other person take the lead now. So your power lies in awareness that you are letting them do it, letting them, you're giving them the reins, yielding your reins. So you will find yourself effortlessly moving closer to what you truly desire, guys, what you truly want. So you need to let that other person tell you what they truly feel about you and who they can be to you, and letting their actions speak for themselves. So when you do that, you will be surprised, guys. It will be something which you love, but all you are doing is you are making that other person do it. So that way your dreams are going to manifest, and actions and what to say is flowing from the other person. So that is what this card is about, guys. So you are the person receiving whatever this other person is giving today, guys, to you. So that is what this card means. You just need to let that person give to you. Maybe not always we need to make the first move, we need to decide on certain things and do certain things. Sometimes we must let that other person make the move and take that action, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.